Let me see. I'm just looking. Are you crying? Are you serious right now? Are you okay? I'm just looking. Oh my God.
Mira,
What if your boy graduated with an outstanding degree in acting class?
ahí tienes. Mira. Ok.
When your cat is the champion of the debate.
You can say whatever you want to say. You at the wrong house. You better get your You have to go. Don't you ever come up in my house no more. I have my own pet.
Salem.
Maddie, you want to play?
Maddie, are you scared?
You hear a lot of dramatic of cats in the past.
Scary kitty. Oh no. Oh no, he's...
Someone interrupted your play be like, the effort to pretend to be a professional martial arts master is worth noting.
So weird.
Are you angry? Okay, well,
Hope fried chicken can make up for this drama queen.
sorry. I'm sorry that you're not feeling very up to today. Okay.
Summary of the movie Beauty and the Beast. When you open the door at 3 a.m. POV. You meet your love rival.
Yes.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Curiosity gives us experiences and sometimes lessons. After all, nothing is more important than peace. The best way for your parents not to forget you.
You're so dramatic.
Who invited a lawyer to settle this controversy?
Oh my goodness.
Do you know how long I've been waiting?
What are you doing?
When you don't have enough dramatic today.
Oh! Was that necessary, that aggressive? Ow! I don't even touch you.
Bastardo.
Che è successo?
Hurry up or I'll faint in the next 5 seconds. Dude, forget about getting close to my humans. You raised the queen like...
Hang in there. Couple more seconds. Oh, so.
What's the matter? You don't want us to clean the bird poop off of you? Are you giving up?
POV. You after reading your symptoms on Google.
Get off my pizza.
Hello, I just wanted to check your food. Your crush talked to another girl and this is you.
Just doing my own thing when the switch falls from above and the only culprit could be... Are you laying like that?
Well, don't you have to sign up?
Hey, hurry up. Help me. Low-key people see the camera.
Bug. What are you doing? What?
You're a fan of John O'Block, be like... POV. Your bestie doesn't trust your cooking.
Watch them cook. Or is it just ours?
Who wants to receive greetings like this every day?
Ai, filho da puta! Isso dói. Dude, that's my nipple!
What if your house had a hunter?
Kiwi.
Everything that was going down for a reason. She wasn't trying to.
You watched Snow White and want to check your mirror. Thank you for supporting and following us.
What